I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can start using the Wolt Partner app. So first off, on your App Store or on your Google Play Store, you just have to go to the search bar up here and you want to search up Wolt Partner app. Now on Wolt Partner app, just click on this one. It's called Wolt Courier Partner, right? So not exactly Wolt Partner app, but after here, just click on install. Now wait for it to install. It's a pretty small app, about 14 megabytes. Let's just wait for it to install real quick here. Once it's installed, you can just go ahead and click on open like this. Again, let's just wait for it to load. Now you can see this is where the Wolt Partner app is. Now on here, you'll see this is a couple of prompts here. Just click on next. Now in here, they'll give you a chance to sign in with an email, or if you want to become a Wolt Courier Partner, you can just click on apply now. Now, if you want to become exactly a Wolt Courier Partner, you just have to enter in all of your details here. So your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number. It has to be an international. You'll need to enter in the language you speak, your date of birth, your country, your delivery city, your vehicle type, your Courier Partner referral code. You do need one here, but of course, it is not optional. It's optional as well. Make sure you read the fine print as well, and then you can send in the application. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.